Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix a Crimson Desert not showing or not detected in Nvidia app. So what is just to do here first is to completely close Nvidia app from the task manager as well, exit, and then just go to Nvidia app as well and look if the problem persists, if the game is detected or not. Also make sure the drivers is fully up to date. Then if still not working, then press on the three dots here and press refresh. And still, if it's not working, then you need to go to Steam or to the platform where you got the game. Look for Crimson Desert, right click on it, go to properties, install files, browse, and then you need to look for a exe file. Then scroll down until you see bin64, click on it, and you will see exe file here. So what you need to do here is to copy the path. Then you need to go to a Nvidia app, press on the three dots, add a scan location, and then paste the path here. And then you need to look for exe file, or just select the folder here. Or simply you can add a program also by just putting the path and then adding exe, and it should be added. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.